Lower this down a little bit. And we'll go right in here. And got it. We're gonna bring here, hold, and is weak. That's indicative of the C5 and 6. So we're gonna bring it right over to here, just like that. Over here and hold. Very good. And we've got an upper. So we'll go right there. Got it. All right, excellent.
And just keep your teeth together and deep breath through your nose. Excellent. Good. Perfect. Yep. And then we're gonna do some nice, easy manipulations in her mid-thoracics today. Okay. Excellent. Sorry about that. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do now.
Und einmal auf der anderen Seite, jetzt hier 2. Geh erstmal, um zu gucken, wie weit du kannst. Weit. Da ist Schluss, ne? Okay.
Is to warm up. Perfect. I know you heard that one all the way over there. So now what I'm going to do is move up into her upper thoracics right here. There we go. Now just let this relax for me. There. She's got some pretty tight traps here today. I'm sure she probably worked out her entire body yesterday. And spiritual well-being as well. So we take care of people for, drop this right in my hand. She got one more at her atlas right there. And I'm going to adjust her cervical spine from the posterior aspect. This is C2 and 3, P to A. C5, 6, P to A. And then we get all the way down here at T1, T2 to bring the whole head, oops, there we go, up over the shoulders where it's supposed to. That's probably the most tender of all of them. I'm going to have you let your head go right in my hand here. Perfect. Good job. Okay, now you go. There you go. Drop your head right in my hands. I got you. That's his atlas, C2. Oh, there's C3 through C5.
Nope. Good. Let's go again. Big breath. One more time.
Ganz sauber, kleine Korrektur. Und dann auf den C2. So. Perfekt.
Loose more. Good.
Good. Other side. And let's adjust right there. Okay. Good. On your back. Relax, let it go down for you. Easy. And very gentle.
Hold my little one. That's all.
Wow.
So what I want you to do is just relax his left shoulder, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust. I'm going to go ahead and finish adjusting her. Relax his right side. Perfect. How's that feel? Better. Good. And breathe all the way out. Good. And again, one more here. And breathe out.
We're gonna set it really light, okay? Really light. Left ear down, down. There you go. That's it.
Deep breath. And out. And go. Cute. Deep breath. And out. Good job.
Yeah, your neck doesn't move on the left at all. Okay, relax. So there's a little bit here as well. Good.
Okay, you might feel a bit of a shock in that arm. I've got to move this vertebra forward. Drop into my left hand. That moved quite well, considering the disc is so thin. Drop into the right hand here. That's called an adjustment.
And breathing out. Here we go with adjustment. Done. And rest. This is for the interpubic joint and the two ball and sockets. Breathe in and breathe out. Here we go. Hold and rest. And breathing in and breathing out. Here we go with the thrust. And back. And rest. Breathing in and breathing out. And rest. And breathing out. Over like this we go. Here we go. Thrust. And relax. And breathing out. And rest.
And we'll start there on that right side. So I'm going to tip you over, just right ear to your shoulder. Look up this way just a bit. Good job. And we'll get one more on the left here. I want you to tip this left ear over to your shoulder and look up this way just a bit. Really good. Okay. Oh, good.
Nice and relaxed. There's your neck started to go already. Feel that? Oh yeah, this guy's a big self-adjuster.
Yeah.
Which is terrible, people. Stop self-adjusting. Good.
Neutral, and then a small lift in that direction. Just holding him for a second. Yeah, that one's all good.
So we're going to come way underneath here, all the way around. Shoulders down. Bring this arm up. I'm going to have you roll over towards your right, and slide to the right. Okay, shoulders down, like that. It's okay? The second one, we're going to roll to the left, and towards the right. Good. A little further. And then that's it. Now let your head drop. Good.
75?
77.
77? You sound 77, doesn't it? Good.
Okay.
Good, nice. You're back. Good. Wow.
Let me adjust her neck laying down.
A little bit of a tender spot there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start there. So tip this right ear over to your shoulder. Good. One more time. Awesome. And out. And we're gonna go one more time here. Big breath in. And out. Good job.
What I'm doing is just pre-tensing him. I'm just waiting for him to kind of give me the opportunity to relax so I can get that adjustment like that. He's already starting to pop on this side. This side's not nearly as tight as the other side was. Good.
Making sure their muscles stay relaxed and do just a little stretch right through there.
Right over here. Oh, nicely done. Thank you. Okay.
So she's out. So we're going to adjust C5 just like that.
From inferior to superior, and then we're going to roll right here. And we're going to set that T2 right there. And then we'll take a nice deep breath in. And then we're going to exhale. And then we're going to slide right in. We're going to come right in laterally, right there.
That are a little bit tense. Breathe out. Atta girl. And I'm going to take some pressure off of this area. Just relax that head for me. Good. There we are. Very good. Good. Now roll over on your other side. Easy does it. There. We're just going to gently move this over. Atta girl. And over here for me.